Hey kids, I'm meteorologist Rochelle J. It's time for a new weather lesson. Summer is the hottest season of the year, and today we're learning about humidity. Now first, what is humidity? This refers to the amount of tiny particles of water in the air. This is important for us to know because the more humid the air is, we may be more likely to see things like fog or rain or even thunderstorms develop. But we also use the humidity to figure out a special number called the heat index. That tells us how hot it feels outside. When it's more humid, it's harder for your body to cool itself down. So when you factor in the humidity, a 90-degree day could feel like 100 degrees or more. And as the weather gets hot, don't forget that our four-legged friends must also deal with the same heat. So you'll want to make sure that your pets are nice and cool, have plenty of water, and let them take lots of breaks and naps. And remember, if things like the sidewalk, the seat in a car, or the sand at the beach are too hot for you, it's also too hot for our pets. Thanks for joining me for another weather lesson, kids, and keep being weather aware and safe no matter the season.